welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Genderbent Eddie Munson inspired makeup look. I absolutely loved season 4 of Stranger Things with all of the popularity circulating not only season 4 of Stranger Things, but also Eddie Munson. I just knew that he was going to be one of the perfect characters to do for this year's Halloween series. And just in case you missed it, I also have a tutorial where I transform myself into Chrissy from Stranger Things as well. If you're not already, definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial every weekday for the entire month of October, so you guys definitely don't want to miss it. And with that, I'm also going to have my Halloween playlist linked down below for you guys to help give you guys any Halloween inspiration that you may require. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this Eddie Munson makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to get started, I'm going to be pinning the bangs to this wig back just to keep it out of my face and going ahead and popping in some brown contact lenses. I'm going to be starting off by taking my True Skin Vitamin C Facial Serum and applying this all over my face before going into my Fenty Skin Sunscreen and applying this over my face as well to help moisturize it. I'm then going to be taking my Pixi Rose Plus Radiance Perfector and applying this all over my face to help give it a nice luminous glow before going into my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer and applying this onto my face as well to help give it a nice base for my foundation. Next, I'm going to be hopping onto my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlighter and applying this under my eyes to help brighten them a little bit more before going into my Milani Supercharged 120 Peach Concealer and applying this under my eyes to help color correct and alleviate some of those dark circles a little bit more. Next, I'm going to be taking my MAC Strobe Cream and applying this to my cheekbones to help give that a little bit of a pop of glow. And then I'm going to be going into my Kosas Foundation in 200 Light Medium and applying this all over my face using my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. Following that, I'm going to be going into my Buckle Bunny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha, and I'm going to be using this as a cream contour, so I'm going to be applying this to all of the areas that I would like to add some shadows to contour, so this is going to be under my cheekbones, my temples, the sides of my nose, and my jawline, before making sure to go ahead and thoroughly blend all of this out. Next, I'm going to be taking my Kosas Concealer in 1.5C, and I'm going to be now using this to highlight my face, so I'm going to be applying it under my eyes, to the sides of my nose, my cupid's bow, chin, and my forehead, and then once again, I'm going to be going ahead and thoroughly blending this out. To set my face, I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes using this powder puff sponge, and then I'm also going to be applying it to my forehead and any areas that tend to crease. Next, I'm going to be taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso and going ahead and lightly filling in my eyebrows just to kind of help give them uniform shape, and I'm going to be using the spoolie end to help brush that color through my brow hairs a little bit more before going into my Buckle Bunny Beauty Brow Wow Pomade in Loretta and applying this to the arch of my brows and then setting my brows with my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setting Gel. I'm then going to be taking my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette, taking this contour color, and I'm going to be deepening the cream contour from earlier just by adding some more of this shadow right on top of it. And then I'm actually going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and applying this to my cheekbones as well to help bronze up my face a little bit more. For my blush, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Cosmetics Mulan Matchmaker Blush and just applying this to the apples of my cheeks and blending this up my cheekbones before going into my Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter in Daybreak Glimmer and applying this to my cheekbones. For my eyes, I'm going to be starting off by taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying this all over my eyelids before going into my ColourPop Disney Designer It's a Princess Thing palette, taking Chip, and I'm going to be going ahead and applying this all over my eyelid to help set that eyeshadow primer. I'm then going to be going into Triton, and on a fluffy brush, I'm going to be starting by applying this on the outer corner of my eye and blending this into my crease. I'm also going to be applying this to my lower lash line as well. I'm then going to be going into Beast, and on this same fluffy brush, I'm going to be lightly applying this to the outer corner of my eye, once again slightly blending it inwards, and then really compacting that into the lash line area of my eyes, and then making sure to go ahead and take a clean fluffy brush and help blend out the edges. I'm then going to be going into Magic Carpet, and same thing, I'm going to be really just applying that and focusing that on my upper lash line before going into Ray, and I'm going to be applying this to the inner corner of my eye and blending that to the center of my lid. I'm even going to be applying that to my brow bone as well before going back into Magic Carpet and making sure to apply this to my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid black eyeliner and going ahead and creating a nice sharp wing on my lash line and making sure to bring that to a point at the inner corner of my eye. I'm also going to be drawing a little bit of a line on my lower lash line with this black eyeliner and then creating two elongated lashes on the exterior side of my lower lash line as well. I'm then going to be going ahead and prepping my eyelashes by curling them before going into my Tarte Maneater mascara and going ahead and sweeping that through both my upper and my lower eyelashes thoroughly. I'm then going to be taking my Kiss Lash Couture Splendor eyelashes and going ahead and applying that to my upper lash line. I'm then going to be taking my ColourPop Lippie Pencil in Lovebug and going ahead and outlining my lips. Following that, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Ariel lipstick. As you can see, it is well loved, and I'm going to be applying that all over my lips before finishing off my lips with my ColourPop Disney Villains Bad Apple lip gloss. And last but not least, I'm going to be finishing off this entire makeup look with my One Size Beauty On Till Dawn Setting Mist. And that is my completed Genderbent Eddie Munson makeup look from Stranger Things Season 4. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind-the-scenes sneak peeks of upcoming makeup tutorials before anybody else, and it really does help support me and my channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!